Hello and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. Today we are going to make the cards from the Notes of Cheer card kit. This is one of the new card kits that Stampin' Up is offering in their catalog. There are 3 cards that you can make with this kit. Everything's done for you. You literally just have to put it together. So let's start with the first card. All the instructions are here. These are the pieces we need for it. So we need the card base. We need the laser cut butterflies. We need the greeting that says "You are on my mind and in my heart," and I've already put dimensionals on the back. And then we need some of these faceted gems. So it's easy peasy to put together. We're going to use the adhesive dots and we're going to put 1 in each corner. I'm trying to take your pick tool to do these dots. I saw another person in a video using it and I thought, well, that's way easier than trying to peel them off with my fingers. So I'm giving it a whirl and it seems to be working really, really well. So they just have the 4. So it's easy enough to peel the backing off. It's just getting them off the plastic. So you can do it with your fingernails, but that take your pick tool works really, really well. Okay, so we are going to center this and lay it down, press it in at the corners. Then we take the greeting and we've got dimensionals on the back that come with the kit, and we just pop this down right about there like that, and we just make sure it's straight when it goes down. And then we can use the take your pick tool, and we need looks like the larger ones. We need 1 that we're going to put right here, 1 that we're going to put down by the greeting like that, and then we're going to put a little one up here above this butterfly, and then we're going to put another one underneath the greeting right here. And they do have another little one just tucked in here. So I am going to just pop that in like that. So that is the first card made. The second card, I'll just flip the instructions over. Super, super simple. It is the butterfly card, and on the card, we're going to put the greeting that says, "You make life brighter." And the greetings do come in 4 languages. There's French and there's German, and honestly, I think it might be Dutch is the other one, but I didn't look it up to see what language it was. So we just pop these, and the note says to put the dimensionals in from the edge. Like you can see on the instructions, it has a gap at the edge, and that's because the greeting actually extends over the edges of the card, just like that. And then again, we come in with our faceted gems, and we tuck 1 there, and we need another large one. Where does the other large one go? Because they call for 2 large ones and 3 small ones. So I can't see where the other large one goes. It probably just tucks in, I would think, somewhere like that. And we're going to put some small ones in as well. And we're going to tuck 1 there like that. And we're going to tuck another one under here like that. And let's put another one just down here like this. So there you go. That is the second card made. It is that quick and easy. Everything you need. You don't have to do any stamping or anything. These kits are perfect if you've got a crew of younger people who want to do something crafty. It's great for introducing people to Stampin' Up! Products. So the third card, we're going to use the laser cut overlay. We need to put an adhesive dot in each corner. So we'll just, the take your pick tool works really well actually for placing these. This is fabulous. And I think it was actually my upline Tanya of Stampin' with Tanya Badalka who showed me this. So we're just going to keep popping those down like that, and then we just peel off the backing and pop it on the card. Okay, there we go. I'll just make sure there's none stuck on there. And then we just need to center this on the card front. And that looks about right like that. I've actually put it up the other way. They have the blue in this corner and the pink in this corner. Not a really big deal. You can put it any way you like. The elements are here and you can use them however you like. So let's put the little note of cheer down, and it is right across the middle like that. And so we'll pop one side down, we'll make sure it's straight, and then we'll pop that down, and then we use adhesive dots again on the back of the greeting that says, "I am here for you today and always." So we're going to put some adhesive dots on the back like this. This is something really great to take with you if you've got like a weekend away planned, or even you can take it camping. It's great if it's raining and you're stuck in the trailer. It's a great activity to do. And the kit makes 3 of each design, so everybody can make a card. Okay, so I am just going to place this right next to the other greeting and just drop it down. I might use my take your pick tool just to line that up like that. There we go. So that is done, and we just need to add the bling to it. So in this one, we're going to put 2 of the larger ones. We're going to put one there and one here down at the bottom right here, and then we're going to use 4 smaller ones. We're going to pop one small one there, and then another one just outside the decorations there, and we'll pop one down at the bottom like that, and then one outside the border at the bottom too. So there we go. That is how you build the Notes of Cheer card kit. And that is the 3 cards. So thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned as I do more card videos or card kit videos. Thanks for watching, and let's create together soon.